we're going to get a Vietnamese puff roll. At the same time. Alright, so which one are you having? Are they all the same?
Well, some have chili. I think the ones on the top have chili.
Okay.
And chili, so they're really cold.
Okay.
I get one of these.
Let's
You having one?
Yeah. 17.38.
17. Do you have cash? Ooh. Australian money.
I know.
Ooh la la.
I like it. Look, that's $5. Ooh.
And 20.
It means you will sleep a lot and then still get up and all that, but
Great.
no worries. Yeah, good.
I love though how they've done this though, because before they would make it like from scratch, but now they have them in the fridge and I like that.
Yeah, all ready to go.
So me and my friends when we were 15 would go and get pork rolls there. If you wanted a cigarette, it was 25 cents, like the cigarette. So she will put them. She'll put them inside the bag of the pork roll, and the way that you would do it is you pay for this, and then you slide the 25 cents, and that's like she knew. Okay, they want cigarettes.
Crazy.
No wonder she's fucking
Gone. But I had that, and then I had. Oh my gosh. La chona se grita.
Se grita, la chola se mueve.
La chona se mueve. Y la gente la grita. Y la cura la grita. Y la cura la grita. I think so. It smells so good.
Look how cute it is. Look at the little touchdown. That's so cute. Oh, that is so cute.
Mini Chewbacca.
Look at this one. It's got the little touchdown. Oh my god, that's like OZZIE right there.
Slinky.
Yeah. They are.
But yes, I suppose it's similar to Sephora sells your Selena Gomez.
Alright guys, so we're here at Mecca.
Yes, we are.
April says that this is different from Sephora. How so again?
Well, it just has different brands, and Mecca has. I shop at Mecca. I love Mecca because they have my skincare, they have my body care, they have everything I need here, and they have really nice like home and like fragrance stuff. So
It smells so good in here.
it smells so good.
Alright, let's do some damage. Smells so good. 8 rugby shorts.
Rugby shorts like that.
Yeah.
Rugby shorts.
Okay. Look cute. Store. Look at these shoes. Oh my god. It's so nice. With the mountains. I know. We're at this place called Typo, and I want to get a few things because they're so nice. They got like the cutest things like this. Oh my god.
The eggs made.
Oh really? Yeah. Look at this. April knows the rule already, so
Get it.
gotta get it. Gotta get it. Alright guys,
Damage.
we did a lot of damage.
Ow.
A lot of damage.
A lot of damage.
I cannot shop with this one. She is a baller. Okay, she will literally spend every penny that she has, and she will not feel guilty.
I don't feel guilty. It's my money. Huh?
That's true. That's true. But no, it was well spent.
Yes. And now we're gonna go get Mrs. Ford's cookies. They're delicious.
Whatever that is, let's go.
Strawberries
That I
and
love.
creams you like?
Yes. That is so delicious. Oh, these are nicer. Oh my god, I thought this was gonna be a Dutch hound.
I know.
Guys, it's a little Dutch hound. And it's going for $15. So cute. Guys, they still have a payphone. books. That's pretty cool. Good, thank you. What is this, Ozzy? Hey guys, so this is a community pantry. It says help yourself. And it has diapers, some food, and some free books. It's actually pretty cool. And you have another telephone post. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, I am. Which one do you want?
We're just getting slappies. I'm with Carol.
Hello. You want this one?
Large. Yeah.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now. Be hard working so you can be deserving.
$2.50.
250 for organic and everything.
And so how does it work again?
So you pick what you want. So
Yeah.
for example, it's 250. I'm gonna take that. That's $5. And I'm gonna take
Some avocados.
some avocados because they're not ready yet.
Yeah, no.
But I feel like I'm gonna take one more.
One more
piece of
pumpkin?
soup. Yeah. And that's $10. And then you put it.
You put it in there.
You put the $10.
And there's no one here, right? Like,
No, but probably sometimes they come and check.
oh, I see. Cool.
And the smell is great.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, they have bags. Sorry.
No, it's okay. Hey guys, we just went to another stand and this is the same process. You pick out and then you put the money in here. and this is what they got. You guys, I finally got my sausage roll. Let's eat it.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, what's the big difference? Yeah. And I've been feeling my own inertia. Just being honest, there's no difference. And more is okay. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. My libro got so high,